talking about. He's a star in European basketball. He's got NBA experience. And just coming off a championship win, also with Real Madrid. Michael Carrera, he's another one that's got European and Australia. Played in the NBL for the Cairns Taipans.
Tavares working off the screen. No roll, they'll get the ball to Gomes. Another take. This one in. Going at the big guy. Just the intimidation factor. Tavares on the other end. In transition. William Tavares behind the screen. He'll hit for three. Cape Verde out to an 8-1 lead. Venezuela, this one will be their first field goal to go down. Garly Soho. Lima changing gears. Gomes makes his man miss.
Great.
And then makes him pay. Comaneras dishes back out. Chorio will take the shot. And that's a nice coupling effect for Venezuela. Guillen off the curl. Free throw line, gets it for two. Trying to work off the screen. High-low denied. Open look, Almeida, corner shot. Will get the three. Gradero tracks it, gives it to the other team, to Hossa. Tavares. Almeida. Everybody having a hand on that one for Cape Verde. Almeida. He's got a brother on the team too, as Kubian pulls up the three, uncontested. Coher driving baseline.
Wow.
Two-hand slam this time.
Oh. Talk about some bounce. Kubian in here sees the baseline. Look how high he gets. That is thrown down with a high degree of authority.
Carrera on the other end. This one blocked. Gomes there.
Nice. That's what I'm talking about. This time it's the big fella. Gomes, who just Tavares, but somehow or other they've got to get these bigs away from the basket. That's one way to do it.
Zamora. Feels good for him. He's got three.
Zamora stepping out. Gomes was his man. Drew him out from the basket.
Almeida, top of the key, lefty gets it too, an eye for an eye.
Only the two.
Ball takeaway here, Tavares running, lays it in. William Tavares, coast to coast.
It's been impressive by Cape Verde. Not just the offense, the defense.
Now you gotta worry because this guy's hitting back-to-back threes. Jordan Zamora with 6 points. Almeida, the younger brother, turn, shoot, baseline, mid-range off. We're running. Maturin. Coher. Kubian, excuse me. He missed the 2019 World Cup due to an injury, so he's playing out his dream here with Venezuela. Zamora can keep it alive. Third three-pointer, 9 points for Zamora. Almeida. Ball nearly taken away. Gomes loses it. No, he's got his help from Patrick Lima. The 37-year-old, part of 5 players on this Venezuelan squad that was born in 86-87 as the youngster.
Been around a long time, but still got a lot of fire in the belly.
Even Almeida.
Verde got that run. It's been able to establish any sort of significant advantage. Real even contest so far.
Comaneras with a hook. Corner shot there by Kubian. Venezuela and Comaneras on the block. Kiss off the glass is good.
That's right now not good offense.
Soho, beautiful take, and it drops in for the 23-year-old. Tries to get it to Gomes, and we're going the other way again. Step through, three ball, does his job. Pedro Chorio. A lot of dribbling. Bejosa, laying with the left, he gets it. Coher to Mensch, goes off his fingertips, we're running. Carrera, put back Soho. The tap in by number 6. Again. Got 3 to shoot. And he does, right in the eye of DeHosa. And they've dedicated to this season, in this tournament, to a former player, Wally Handode, who played with this group. And maybe right there, that's a good start by Gomes. Running point for Cape Verde. Almeida down to the big guy, Tavares. Walter. Here's the cutter. Easy bunny. Shot by Ruiz. A miss from the free throw line. Soho keeps it alive. Wants it back. 3. Deep. No. Put back Colmenares. Tavares. Inside out. Gomes.
Again, it's the big fella that gets the touch. 2-2-1, but they like to get up and in after a made basket, particularly off a free throw.
Almeida behind the screen, hits it from downtown. Lead dwindled to 6. Almeida, one-on-one, likes his chances.
Good enough respect now. You've got to get up and in.
And then the pounce on defense, finished by Tavares, but that was instigated surely by even Almeida. And Zamora picking up Almeida here. The guy finishes on the left, unfazed. Almeida now with 16. Maturin being smothered. Kubian driving, looking for help. Finds himself open on the baseline. Why not? 2 for Kubian. Almeida to Gomes. 3. That one looked pretty from downtown. Gomes. Almeida with the ball. Giving some treble there is Colmenares for 3. It's a miss. Almeida for his own rebound. And the composure. 2 more for Almeida. Kubian. To the corner, Zamora squares up, nothing but net. Venezuela looking down court. Kubian through the gut, come and stop me. Three seconds to shoot. Carrera. That's the first one from the field for Carrera. He's had the last 5 for Venezuela. Zamora off the screen, no look pass to his buddy Maturin. Tavares, nice little windmill lay-in. Tavares looking down court. He'll call his own number, and why not? He's feeling hot. Takeaway. Good hands, Zamora. No, they get it back. 3 shot up and in. Fidel Mendoza. Courtesy Gient. He will pull up a 3, thinking that was going in. How about the wing? Kubian this time.
Not a lot of movement, and the movement you see is slow and too much dribbling.
Tavares on the reverse.
By the time they get there, it's nice to see Soho still on the bench, and the big fella underneath out of bounds play, they get it to him. He thought he got fouled, but stuffs it in with the 2 hands.
So Kubian and company here for Venezuela trailing. He decides to pull the trigger, and he felt it from the go. Almeida, confused. Holding composure. Soho driving. Too high on the glass. Lima, a kick. Kate Bird in the easy lay-in. William Tavares from the left with the right. The end being covered here by Lima. And this one off.
Terrible shot.
And it doesn't matter. They're going to get another chance here as it was last touched by Almeida. Walter Tavares all fired up. Kubian in the corner. Lets it rip in and out. Rebound covered by Kate Bird. William Tavares. Running point. Staying calm.
In a commanding position, it becomes even more difficult. There's still no timeout.
Ice in his veins. Almeida in front of him. The ball to Mataron. The three, it's off its mark. Gobbled up is the rebound by Gomes.
Gomes is 4 or 5 in the contest so far from the free throw line.
And a beautiful stroke there and a kiss to the fans. .22 points for Gomes. Kubian with the ball. Soho driving, step back. His toes behind the line. And Yent will step out of bounds. And Kate Bird is going to get one more final shot up. And congratulations, Coach Emmanuel Travada, Walter Tavares.